Hello everyone, in this video we will study about dynamics of Indian polity, contemporary shifts in India's democracy marked by evolving party systems, assertive regionalism and coalition realignments. Contemporary Indian democracy has undergone significant transformations due to changes in the party system, regional politics and coalition dynamics. These shifts influence governance, policy making, and the functioning of democratic institutions under the Constitution of India. Now, let us talk about the evolution of the party system. India's party system has evolved through several phases since independence. First is one party dominance 1950s to 1960s, dominance of the Indian National Congress in national and state politics. This period is often referred to as the Congress system. Then emergence of multi-party competition 1970s to 1980s, decline of Congress dominance, rise of regional and opposition parties such as Janata Party. Then comes the coalition era 1990s to 2014. No single party gained an absolute majority in the Lok Sabha. Formation of coalition governments like National Democratic Alliance, Progressive Alliance. Then comes the dominant party phase 2014 to present. Electoral dominance of the Bharatiya Janata Party at the national level, however, regional parties remain influential in many states. Now, rise of regional parties. Regional parties have become powerful actors in India's federal democracy. Examples: DMK in Tamil Nadu, Trinamool Congress in West Bengal, Biju Janata Dal in Odisha. Causes: linguistic and cultural identities, regional economic interest, demand for greater state autonomy. Regional parties strengthen federalism by representing local interest in national politics. Now let us talk about assertive regionalism. Assertive regionalism refers to states and regional leaders demanding greater political and economic power. Key aspects are stronger role of states in national policy making, demands for more fiscal autonomy, greater influence in coalition governments. This trend highlights the dynamic nature of Indian federal democracy. Now let us talk about coalition realignments. Coalition politics has led to frequent political realignments among parties. Characteristics: pre-election alliances, post-election coalition negotiations, strategic partnerships between national and regional parties. Coalitions like the National Democratic Alliance and the United Progressive Alliance demonstrate how alliances shape government formation. Now, impact on Indian democracies. These developments have both positive and challenging implications. Positive effects: greater political representation, stronger federalism, increased political competition. Challenges: political instability in coalition governments, fragmentation of political mandates, policy coordination difficulties. Now, future trends. Indian democracy may continue to experience strong national parties coexisting with powerful regional parties, strategic coalition politics, greater state participation in national governance. Now, let us conclude it. The evolving party system, growing regionalism, and coalition realignment show that the Indian democracy is dynamic and adaptive. These shifts influence the balance of power between national and regional actors while shaping governance within the framework of the Constitution of India. Thank you.